Hey Air Zoo fans, it's Troy here at the Air Zoo's Flight Discovery Center. We are currently moving our F-104 Starfighter into the Air Zoo in preparation for our F-117 coming here in about 3 weeks. This is the first big step. What we've done is we've pulled a lot of these aircraft out so we could start clearing a space for our F-117 because it is a big airplane. It is actually 65 feet long and 42 feet wide. So those of you who have been here to the Flight Discovery Center, to our Restoration Center, certainly know that there's not a lot of space with all of these cool airplanes on display, and of course those that we're working on in restoration as well. So we had to do a little bit of work, a little bit of juggling. We even pulled our one of our airplanes, our F-80, outside in preparation for this. So now we're bringing the aircraft back in, and if you'd like, it's a good opportunity for us to come check out the space where the F-117 is going to reside. So we'll quickly walk here by the F-104 Starfighter. As you can see, we have an incredible team of mostly volunteers who are here to help in all this incredible work that we do. I will say, without these volunteers, the Air Zoo couldn't even do 1/10 of what we do. So here we are in this space in the Flight Discovery Center. This is where our F-117 is going to be. We're going to have the nose of the airplane right about here, sweeping back 65 feet. We've got a total of 42 feet wide over here. When it comes in, we're going to plan to put the wings on and begin the restoration process. We're going to be repainting the whole thing. We're going to be adding leading edges all around the aircraft. It's going to be so very exciting. I can't wait to show you our next steps because very soon I'm going to be heading out to Nevada to sign off on the airplane and bring that F-117 home.